Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking why knowing Allah's names is literally the key to understanding life. So, let's dive right in. How on earth can a limited human possibly comprehend an absolute infinite creator?
The answer? Esma. His names. Think of it as this breathtaking heavenly ladder reaching straight up to the divine.
There are three legitimate paths to connect with Allah, but His names, they're absolutely the primary foundation. To grasp this, we gotta define Esma-ul Husna. It basically means every conceivable perfection belongs exclusively to Him. This completely shatters the distant God myth, showing us instead an intimately close God, nearer than our jugular vein.
So, inventing names for God? That's fasha. It's basically crossing a massive red line in divine knowledge.
The Quran is clear. You can only speak about Allah if you have knowledge, guidance, and an illuminating book. Bottom line, we can't just make up how we worship or name Him. We must strictly follow revelation.
And get this, the emotional impact is wild. Truly knowing His names actually makes a believer's heart physically tremble.
Seriously, without that overwhelming awe, how could the prophets endure such crazy, logic-defying trials? They just couldn't.
Take Prophet Muhammad's deepest moment of despair at Taif. It shows the raw emotional reality of knowing God. He first pours out his total human exhaustion. He literally asks if he's been abandoned to his enemies.
But instantly, that profound connection kicks in. He makes this breathtaking, goosebump-inducing declaration of absolute devotion.
He anchors himself entirely in God's light. That's how Esma transforms immense human suffering into total spiritual triumph.
So what about our everyday lives? A true believer's entire cultural code is seamlessly woven with Allah's names.
Notice how we can't even describe a gorgeous sunset without instinctively saying, MashaAllah. Or how we frame every single future hope around His divine will, just by adding a quick, Inshallah. Even taking action, every step forward is rooted in seeking His power and permission with the word Bismillah.
Backed into a corner, our immediate reflex is declaring Hasbunallah, meaning He alone is absolutely sufficient for us.
Even facing ultimate loss, we say, Inna lillahi. We acknowledge our origin and our return are entirely His. So I'll leave you with this. Are you truly utilizing this heavenly ladder in your own daily life?